Alright, I get it. You want me to clean the 3D printer. I know, it's a mess. It's just, I don't know. I could make lots of excuses, but I'm just a mess. You guys left a ton of... Honestly, you were very nice about it, but I could read between the lines. That's disgusting. How dare you post that on the internet? Your father and I are worried about you. Why don't you have a real job? Most importantly, my wife also has some opinions. You gotta say how much you want me to clean it. You gotta be like, it's so dirty, you need to clean that printer.
The printer is a mess. You need to clean it.
I don't believe you at all. You're gonna kill my retention. You're right, but I don't believe you. We're gonna clean the damn printer, okay? God. So I don't know, man. Where do I start? We got just a glue stick. We got like a healthy amount of dust. It's honestly a miracle that it works, and it works so well. I don't know what that is. There a spider living in there? There might be. I don't know, man. But we're gonna clean it today, and we're gonna do it right. First, I gotta figure out how to do it right, because clearly I don't know. Setting up the table again, because I live in a one-bedroom apartment with no space. Alright, here's the printer. Okay. Alright, first we'll remove the lucky cat. He watches over all the prints and ensures good fortune. Okay, I actually didn't put this on here, so you can't blame me for this. You can blame me for everything else, but you can't blame me for this. Guess we'll just give it a good old wipe down. I don't see what's so complicated about that. I mean, if I had that kind of mentality heading into this, we wouldn't be in this situation, but here we are. Get out of there. Look at all that crap. And you're probably wondering, like, how on earth did this happen? Well, I don't know, first of all, but I think the answer is that I'm not really an engineer. Like, I certainly have, like, engineering, like, mindsets, and I have, like, an engineering, like, approach to some things, but fundamentally, I'm an artist. I have an art degree. Really what that ultimately means, apart from the fact that I am an excellent fry cook, is that when I have a project in mind, I don't care how it happens. I just kind of brute force my way with whatever tools I have at my disposal to get the thing done, and then bam, 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 I make the thing. And all the tools kind of stop being useful the minute that I get what I want, and then I forget about them, so that's probably more ADHD than anything. Jeez, finding all sorts of treasures in here. No, come on, no, don't drop the damn camera. What is that? Oh no, oh, it's sticky. What the hell is, oh God. Oh no. I hate everything about this. Oh no, oh God. The good stuff. On in there. Oh my God, all right. This is untenable. Oh, I'm gonna edit so much of this out because it's boring. Oh, I can't look at it through the camera. Oh my, this is absolutely, like, legitimately triggering a gag reflex. This is the worst. This is more than cleaning. This is like penance. My God, there's more. Get on out of there. Oh no. Oh hell no. Oh no. Cool. Oh, I can't believe I'm gonna put this on the internet. Oh my God. If anyone's wondering what happens when you own a dog and a 3D printer at the same time. Pretty much that. This is awful. I thought this would be like a cute little, let me clean, this is terrible. This is a war crime. All right, for the print bed, this is super easy. This is just glue stick. It's not anything terrible. So isopropyl alcohol, and that'll come right up. There we go. Clean as a whistle. All right, that took care of most of it, but the last thing that we gotta tackle, I've been putting it off, but we gotta clean the hot end. All right, we got a whole like toolkit here for this sort of thing. Got a wire brush and all sorts of like needles that you can poke through the nozzle. My nozzle interior is fine, I already checked, but exterior brush. So here we go. Some of this. Yeah. Doesn't seem to be working. Oh good, more dust. The internet says that I should turn this on and get the nozzle hot first, so let's do that. Yeah, this is pretty rough, but you know, maybe it's good to know that not everyone on the internet is like amazing at everything they do. Maybe that's my thing. Maybe I'm just gonna be a regular damn person. Okay, so that's pretty warm now, so let's give it a scrub here. Oh! Oh! Okay. Don't panic. Don't panic. Turn it off. Turn it off. Good news, I broke the 3D printer. Well, the internet led me astray last time. Definitely wasn't my fault. How do you tell if a fuse is blown? Is that a blown fuse? I can't.
Somebody's gonna try to claim this while YouTubing one day. Not right.
Was it me? Well, it can't possibly be me because I'm not an idiot. Look, if this thing is like borked, I'm just gonna go to Micro Center and get a new printer for, I'll get a Bamboo Lab or something.
No!
Alright, I don't know how we got here. Well, I know how we got here, but anyway, here we are. I pulled the fuses out of the thing, and let's really hope that I just blew a fuse here and that we can just replace it. So, let's learn how to do that, I guess. I got it turned back on. Oh my god, it's working. It was the power supply that was the issue. I guess it just like shut down when it noticed that things were getting way too funky up there. So I just unplugged it and plugged it back in, and everything fired right back up. So shout out to Prusa, you are officially idiot proof. I'm sorry, Lucky Cat, I should never have removed you. And we'll just lube everything back up. Alright, it does appear that we are back in business. Oh, and we're going to church. I don't think it's supposed to be doing that. Yeah, happy now? It's clean. It doesn't work anymore, but it's clean. I think I fried my thermistor, so I'm just gonna buy a new one on Amazon for like $6 and replace that. But yeah, stop telling me what to do. I break things. Stop laughing at me. Stop making fun of me. I want a divorce.